Hi, my name is Mutapa Chao and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna do a cooking vlog in my mother's kitchen, right? And I'm gonna take you guys through my whole entire process from the beginning till the end. So let's get to it. But yeah, so on today's menu, I am going to cook sadza, which is pap and lamb stew and vegetables. And yeah, that's on the menu for tonight. I am Zimbabwean, so I have to do what a girl's gotta do. So I've put the meat inside the pot, and I just have to add some water, like the water just finished. So just do that. So feeling. What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
We're cooking today.
Anyway, so I'm gonna go behind the house to the garden to go pick up some vegetables. Gonna cut them up, and in the meantime, the meat is boiling on the stove. So I'm gonna take you guys with me to behind our house to go get some vegetables. So, are you okay? Right, obviously I have to wash them up and then cut them up. Okay, so here's the board. This is my favorite knife in the house because it does the most. So I'm just gonna cut that up. So I actually have to wash and then cut and then put in this little silver bowl. I'm almost done. I cut some. This is like more or less the size that I cut. And then yeah.
You've already started?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, okay.
So tell the audience how my cooking is.
Musa's cooking is very nice. It's very good. It's very creative. It's new things. She always has something new every time she cooks. And today we are having lamb stew. And I don't know how she's going to do it, but can't wait to test it.
Thanks.
Please.
And this head, Bogart. I'm out.
She's going to cook them all the way golden brown. When they are golden brown, then she will put the tomato puree. I hate that part.
Okay, so I'm at my last step. I'm going to cook sadza for you guys. I mean for us, but yeah, I'll show you how to do it. So this is the size pot that you eat from the fry. So I put two spoons, 2.5. 1, 2.5, and then this is the type of spoon which I use. The lighting is so bad. I just wanna like cover like this. This is the spoon that I use, and then I have to add water, cold water, and hot water, which is I'm just gonna close it up now. Just do things soon. I wait for 10 minutes and what is it? I am vlogging. Anyways, so I'm gonna show you guys. Darling, please. Then you put it back on one. Then you close. I put too many spoons. It's so thick. That's why I was like struggling to mix it. At home, which is the three of us, my younger brother and my mom. The guys are out. So this is dish for everyone, and then I'll put their food in my tray. Also, I forgot to mention that my mom does not eat lamb. So I cooked some eggs for her to substitute that. And then just take out the